Ironically, I wake up sometimes 3 o'clock in the morning, can't sleep, and I feel like I'm being woke up for a higher purpose. Sometimes I pray for people, ask different things. Well, there's one specific night I remember asking God, please, Father, I'd like to make some dandelion honey this year. Is that abundant supply or what? I'm come out one day in my yard, checking things out, and I seen some dandelions. I said, oh cool, it's dandelion season, back to the prayer, and I'm thinking, well, this is great, I see quite a few of them in my yard, so I'm pretty blessed. And then I look across the street in this vacant lot where a trailer used to be, and I see tons of them. I just start laughing. Most people wouldn't get it. Oh man, that was great. I just couldn't believe it. I was just so amazed. So amazed. So yeah, everybody thinks prayer don't get answered. Well, let me tell you, here's my testimony. I'm out here picking them right now. So if anybody sees this and they want some dandelion honey, hit me up. Pretty good at making it. In fact, I have fun doing it. As you can see, I have a lot of fun. There's enough here. I could probably make, I don't know, I could make gallons of it. I'd probably make a 5-gallon bucket of this stuff if I wanted to spend enough time at it. It does take a long time. There's a lot of work that goes into it. You got to wrench all the flowers, you got to make sure the bugs are out naturally without putting any chemicals in it. Make sure there isn't no chemicals as well from all the, stuff being dropped on us from jets and whatnot. So once you get the bugs out, you get all the nasty stuff off of them, then you got to cook them down. Well, you got to actually, before you cook them down, then you got to get this green stuff off there. You only want that yellow mainly. You're not going to get it all, but you got to get most of it, most of that green part out. You really don't want that. If anything, you'd rather have the root and that green part. I mean, you could leave the green part on there, but it messes with the flavor a little bit. You'll taste it. I have a green flavor to it a little bit. I've done it with and without. But from my experience, it's better without it. Most people tell you, without it. So anyhow, that's what I'm out here doing with the wife. Gotten blessed, that's for sure. I like it. So anybody needs any, wants some, sees this video, says, hey, I like some dandelion honey. I've never tried it. Hit me up. Shoot me a message. Leave a comment if you don't want to talk directly. And I can contact you. Just say, more info or contact me. I'll even write you, directions on how to make it. I can send you that too if you want to make it yourself. So, I don't charge for that, Now, I charge for dandelion honey because obviously it's a lot of time and, it goes into making it. And stuff that you make it with, dandelions are free, but the sugar isn't. Because it's mostly sugar. Some people mix it with honey, which is the way I like to do it. You get more of that honey flavor. Some people say, oh, it tastes just like honey, and I never thought it did. Some people think it does. It does though if you mix like, half and half or 40% at least, or even 25% honey. Then it tastes like honey. To me. Some people may agree, some people may disagree. I don't care, I'm not here to dispute. I'm just here to tell you my blessings. Pretty nice. I couldn't believe it though. Like I said, I looked over and wow, I was amazed. I was amazed I was. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. I mean, it's abundant supply. They don't stop. They're everywhere. In fact, the wife said, leave some for the bees, and I just started laughing at her. I said, I'm going to be able to pick all these. I'm not God. He put plenty out there for everybody. So, go get you some. Alright? Stay blessed, guys. Never give up through life's troubles, trials, tribulations. Just keep pushing forward. Let's help this world be a better place to live in, even when it's not. That's what we're here for. It's not about us. It's about we the people helping one another out. It's about that next guy, what you can do for him. Not so much what you can do for yourself or what you get back. Okay? Because if you're expecting man to bring you something back, you're looking at the wrong person. You should be expecting him to bring you something. So when you start relying on God to bring you something, it'll come. It will definitely come.